In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add affiliate links to your WordPress website. So this will be an easy to follow step-by-step guide. So here you can see I'm on my WordPress website, and here is the back end of that website. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an affiliate link to a blog post. So I have a blog section and we're going to write a new blog post together, and I'll show you how you can then link some products. So in the back end of my WordPress website, I'm going to go ahead and go to posts, then add new post, and we're going to create a post together. Now I've already got a blog post written by ChatGPT. It's just a very basic article about how to stream on Kick using OBS and a webcam. So we'll copy this into the title section and we'll go ahead and then paste in the contents as well. So here we have our article. Now what we can do in this article is we can add images which link to products. We can also link text to products as well. Now this is fairly easy, so let me cover how you can do this. Now of course with affiliate marketing there are different affiliate networks. The most common one though is Amazon. And if I was creating a how-to article which tells people how to live stream on Kick, then I might want to recommend relevant products like webcams, microphones and cameras. So you want to find a natural place to integrate an affiliate link. So here where this article is talking about webcams, here will be a great place to go ahead and link the word webcam to an affiliate link of a webcam we recommend. So we will go to Amazon, we will type in webcam, or obviously you may have a webcam in mind you want to recommend. I'll just choose this one. You will then click on it, and if you've got the Amazon Associates account logged in, you can get a text link, and then you can go ahead and copy this short link. Now with this link, it will redirect your traffic to Amazon, and if they buy, you will earn a commission. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and highlight the text that we want to link. We can then go ahead and click on this link icon. Then we can paste in our URL, and that's going to then link this text here to Amazon. Make sure you click enter and actually add the link, and there you can see we've now linked this text. Now you can also maybe write more text. So I've wrote here, tip, get a high quality microphone for your streams. I recommend this one. And what we could do here is we can go ahead and then link another Amazon product. And again, you'll get the link in the exact same way, and then you can go ahead and add that. And you can highlight any text and go ahead and link. Now you can also add images. So let's say we wanted to add an image of this microphone. You can upload your own images, or you can find non-copyright ones off the internet. I'm just going to save this image as an example and show you. We'll save it to my desktop. Now if I wanted to add this image here, then I could do that. So I'm going to click enter, and here we can choose a block, and I'm going to add a block, and I'm going to add an image which we can upload here from the desktop. So there you go, we've got this image added. I'm going to make this image a lot smaller though. And you could perhaps move your image and have like a split column. So you might want to add something like that. And you can go ahead and make this image clickable as well. If you click on it, you can then click the link icon and paste in your Amazon link. And then this image will now also go to the product. Now, once you're happy, click publish in the top right-hand corner, and then you can view your post. And hopefully, if you've done it properly, your webcam link will go to the webcam on Amazon, and your image will also go to Amazon or any other affiliate links. So that's how you can add them. Hope that quick video was valuable and helped you out.